Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking a few essentials so the app runs smoothly. Confirm the app version and that your device meets minimum specs. If not, update the app now. Once done, sign in with your main account and grant permissions the app asks for. This lets features work without interruptions. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi or 5G and plugged into power when initial downloads or migrations could take 30 minutes or longer. You'll now configure the core features that determine daily behavior. During onboarding, pick notification levels and privacy modes so alerts aren't overwhelming. This affects battery and focus. Next, set sync and backup frequency. Automatic keeps data current, manual saves bandwidth. Choose based on your routine. Then connect integrations like Calendar or Contacts and perform a quick test action to confirm data flows correctly. If something fails, retry authentication and reauthorize the integration. You finish by personalizing and validating the setup so the app feels ready. Apply themes, set shortcuts or widgets, and save that home layout. These small choices speed your workflow. Then run a full feature check. Send a message, create or edit an item, and export a file to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, force close and restart, then sign in again. If it persists, take a screenshot and contact support with exact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.